Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, Getachew said that Abiy Ahmed Air Force sent its bomber jet to attack civilian targets in outside Mekelle. Monday is market day in Mekelle, and the intention is all too palpable. While they are losing big in what they dubbed as a final offensive against Tigray, they will obviously continue to target civilians in a desperate move to exact revenge of the people of Tigray. One of their targets was the Planet Hotel, where a dozen or so humanitarian agencies used to have their employees. Apparently, the authorities in Addis are in the know about United Nations Ethiopia recent decision to move most of its workforce out of Mekelle and Tigray. Whatever the connection there, however, our people won't be cowed into submission by a desperate move by a desperate regime teetering on the brink of collapse. And viewers, on the other side, Tigray Defense Force take full control of the city of Bagaltina. The aim of the Ethiopian government is bombing the city of Mekelle is to cover up the great defeats that occurred to the army on the South Wollo front and after taking control of several strategic areas. But it is only a few weeks to teach this government a harsh lesson that they will never forget. The city of Mekelle, the capital of the Tigray region in northern Ethiopia, was hit by air strikes on Monday, according to Tigray TV. Tigray television, which is controlled by the Tigray People Liberation Front, reported that the airstrikes had injured many civilians. An aid worker and diplomat also told Reuters that Mekelle had been subjected to airstrikes. Nearly a year of the conflict resulted in thousands of deaths and the displacement of tens of thousands. While a catastrophic humanitarian situation prevails in that region, the United Nations has warned that some 400,000 people in Tigray are suffering from starvation. The regional director for East Africa at the World Food Programme, Michael Unford, also stated that the risk of famine threatens civilians in the Afar and Amhara regions due to the conflict. In a statement confirming that 300,000 people in these two regions face food emergency situations. And viewers, according to the latest news is that Mekelle, the capital city of Tigray, is under airstrike by Ethiopian war plans right now. Unknown number of civilians killed and wounded today. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.